In this video, we are going to be restoring an old weathered deck. We're going to show you the process to take it from old and ugly into something that's amazing, and we're going to demonstrate why we recommend using a sealer instead of a solid stain. So 2 years ago, I was visiting with Max, and it's a new house for him, and he took me out into the backyard and he said, take a look at this old weathered deck. What are we going to do with this? He was looking for some advice. So what I told him is, listen, you're going to put in a lot of blood, sweat, and tears with a softwood lumber deck, right? This is the curse of it all. They're cheap, they go install easy, but the maintenance kills you. So I said, sand it down, pressure wash it, and then use a sealer. And it's going to take a little bit more regular maintenance, but at least the maintenance is quick and simple. So you can give it a quick pressure wash, roll on a coat of sealer, and walk away twice a year, and you can keep your deck in pretty good shape and get a nice lifespan out of it. The minute you start touching a solid stain, you're committing to lots of sanding and preparation every 3 to 5 years, because let's face it, the UV rays nowadays are crazy, and they're going to destroy everything that's soft lumber outside your house. So the first time Max got out here, he spent 30 hours, right, pressure washing, another 15 hours sanding, just to get it to a point where it's ready to seal. So 2 years from now, here we are. You know, last year he pressure washed and now did the sealer again. He only did it once. And here we are. It's been a long winter, 7 months since we've had sunshine in our neighborhood, but the deck has gone gray. So we pulled out the pressure washer to start the process again, and we were kind of intrigued as to what the options were, because there aren't a lot of options with sealers, but here's what we found. The old deck with the sealer that went gray, and after pressure washing, we're gonna show you a water test here, a little demonstration. Look at how the water beads up, even after pressure washing. Okay, this is the effect of the penetrating sealer. It goes right deep into the wood and it keeps the water from absorbing into your lumber. And if it's not penetrating the wood, then it's not rotting the wood. And this is why we recommend it. Now, some people out there, you might even enjoy the gray weathered look. Not a problem. Once a year, come out here, pressure wash, 15, 20 minutes, roll on another coat of sealer, you're good to go. But if you want something that looks a little bit more finished, a little more refined, and is even less maintenance, we've got a product to share with you today, and we're going to show you the process. Holy cow. Dude, it is going to take another 30 hours to sand this deck down. But good news, he used a penetrating sealer, he doesn't have to. All you have to do is pressure wash it. Let me show you how quick and simple this is. Now listen, if you don't own a pressure washer and you've got a huge expansive deck like this, I suggest the investment. Mother Nature isn't always going to cooperate with your schedule and when they're available to rent at the Home Depot, for instance. But for a couple $100, leaves you in the driving seat. Check out how easy this is. Wow, that beats the heck out of sanding any day of the week. So here's the deal. This is the product that we used to preserve this deck and to protect it. So this is an oil-based penetrating sealer, and basically what happens is it absorbs into the wood and it repels water and it helps to expand your lifetime. Now it is more maintenance. You're gonna have to do this once, maybe twice a year, depending where you live, but the benefits are obvious. No more sanding ever again. Now, you could use any oil-based product over top of this after the fact. So if you just put in a deck this year, or it's only a year old, give it a pressure wash, get a penetrating sealer into your wood, okay? That gives you time to shop around, look at all your options. Now Max has already done his shopping and he found the product that he likes. So we're gonna show you that product now and talk about all the features and benefits, the pros and cons of both, and then we're gonna show you the finished product, because last year we did the front deck at his house and he's got that one all finished already. So we're gonna show you what it looks like finished as well. So if you've had experience with the Thompson's waterproof sealant, you're gonna understand that one is a very clear liquid, okay? It's like a cloudy water. This one is a lot different. Let me show you. It says clear on the can. It has a 3-year UV protection on flat surfaces like decking, and it looks like liquid butterscotch, okay? What this is, it's a solution that has a clear finish to it. So what that means is you're gonna see the wood, but the little solution that's in here, this is the UV protection. And it is going to do a fabulous job. It's going to make this wood look brand new again. And I'm going to show you the application process. Because it's oil, you want to just apply and pull. And it's going on, nasty, right? There's just nothing about this that's attractive. You are going to want to be careful and trust the process. I know a lot of people that they would pull this product out, they'd do a first coat on a board, and they would stop, turn around, and go back to the store and say, what the hell is this? It's going on yellow. It looks like sludge. You have to let it dry. Trust it. Now, it's asking for, I believe, 6 or 8 hours of dry time before the rain. Give it that, because this kind of product will wash away if it doesn't have a chance to dry properly. I don't know what else to say except for the fact that this product is $55. This is $25. It's going to be different in every neighborhood, but the idea is twice as much product. You need 2 coats instead of 1. Keep that in mind, okay? It's a little bit more money up front, but over the course of 3 years, if you only have to use this one time, it ends up becoming a more affordable option than the waterproof sealant from Thompson's, and you don't have to pressure wash and apply every year. So, if you're looking for low maintenance and you want to get a nice color with a bit of vibrancy, this is a better option. But if you got a brand new deck and you're just looking for a quick fix and protection until you can sort out whether you want to go with a semi-transparent or a transparent stain or a solid staining, God help you and bless you if you do, but this will get you, buy you some time and protect your wood until you can make your decision. So you can see that this particular product is very uniform and it covers a multitude of sins. So even when you pressure wash, don't be too picky and concerned about getting every spot out, because if you overwash, you're going to dig out a lot of the fiber from the wood and you're going to get a real rough surface. Having said that, now we've got a finished surface that's a 3 to 5 year product, and after 3 to 5 years, there's no stripping of this product. If it starts to fade, just simply apply it over top. That's the benefit of using a sealer, all right? None of the old product needs to be removed before you add new product. Any kind of stain, you have to remove the old stain before you add a new stain, but sealers, you can keep going over and over and over again. It penetrates into the wood, and when it starts to lose its color and vibrancy, it's just time to give it a little refresher. That's all. So if you have yet to subscribe to this channel, I would encourage you to do so. We publish every Tuesday and Saturday nights, and we make all kinds of DIY home renovation and restoration videos to help you around your house. Now, don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you get notified every time we have a new video. And make sure you check this out. Here's our playlist. We've got all of our deck videos in this, so you can build it, you can restore it, and you can dress it up and make it as beautiful as you want. Enjoy your life, DIY it. Here's how.